Welcome to the DeFi Dan Podcast, hosted by Dan McGuire. A reminder that all content and topics discussed are general only and is not personal nor financial advice. Always do your own research beforehand.
Hey guys, Dan here. Welcome to this week's podcast. The beauty of this podcast is not knowing if I'll be sharing good news or ugly news. This week was harsh. I mean, really fucking harsh. There is no sugarcoating it. But I guess like they say, hold on for dear life. Just kidding, do your own fucking research too. All right, let's get into it. Segment 1, Weekly Market Recap. This week got uglier, like someone smeared shit on the walls. Bitcoin plunged further, dipping below 93,000 US dollars midweek, erasing all gains for 2025. Ethereum didn't escape either, landing around the US 3,200 range after steep losses. Big picture, investment flows are out, funds are draining, sentiments tanking. Segment 2, What broke? Here's what cracked. Liquidity dried up. With macro uncertainty in the air and rate cut hopes pushed aside, risk assets like crypto got hit hard. The psychological floor at $100,000 for Bitcoin didn't hold. Once that cracks, fear spreads fast. I mean, look at what we're at now. ETFs and long-term holders are pulling back or selling. Not always panic, but the flow is reversing. Altcoins bleeding faster than the majors. Whenever risk-off hits, high beta assets get stomped first. Segment 3, What to watch. Your checklist. On-chain accumulation. Are large wallets buying quietly? If not, major red flag. Support test. If Bitcoin can't hold approximately $90,000 to $93,000, next stop could be approximately $83,000 or lower. Fund flows and ETFs. If inflows resume or the outflow trend reverses, opportunity. If not, downward pressure stays. Altcoin divergence. If some alts start moving despite this mess, that could be where the real play hides. Macro/regulation. Fed tones, global economic data, regulatory shifts. These still decide crypto's lane. Segment 4, Hot takes. Here's 4 things I personally believe. Bitcoin and Ethereum may be close to a local bottom, but don't assume the rebound's here yet. We're still in the pain zone. Altcoins with strong fundamentals, not hype coins, might start to separate when the dust settles. The next leg won't happen just because folks want it. It'll happen when flows, sentiment, and macro all align. All this messy bleeding, it's the shakeout we needed, but that doesn't make it fun. Stay cautious, stay alert. There is possibility of a continued drop, but that's what makes crypto a fun investment. That's your week in crypto, raw, real, unfiltered. If you like this no bullshit breakdown, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Stay sharp, guys. I know we'll recover soon. See you next week.